everybody. So today I'm gonna start working on my new mini chopper. I changed my mind, and now I think I'm gonna go with my brand new 212 Predator instead of the GX 200, because this is brand new engine. I know it's gonna run, so I don't really wanna get into that one and for some reason don't run and just kind of waste my time. I have to take these three things because there's no way I can fit the engine with these things in the frame. Right, one more to go. Alright, so now I can install my air filter so I can see the space I'm dealing with, and then I need to just put my base so I can mount my engine and see what I have to do, because I think I still need to do a small modification to the frame to make the engine fit, but let's see what happens. Right now, this part right here is sitting on the engine, so I can sit it on the plate. If I take these two out, it will be sitting in this plate. That's what I want to do. I'll be honest with you, I don't really want to cut any part of this frame. I just want to keep it original. I want to keep every single part, so if one day I want to go back with the original engine it was mounted on this one, I would love to get the same engine and just go with that one, but I don't have that many choices, so I think I have to. So let's go for it. Let's check it out. So I already cut the two pieces that were in my way. I just need the engine to sit flat in this part and I'll be fine. So it's already there. So now I have to cut this one right here. Alright, I finally figured it out. So I got this part right here is gonna be where the engine is gonna be set. So I'm gonna keep this one, so if I want to go back to the original engine I still have the base. I'm gonna keep this one too, so it's gonna be close to it, but I think it'll be fine. So now I'm just gonna weld it, keep cleaning the frame, paint it, and put it all back together. Alright guys, the frame is painted.
I love the blue, so it's getting there. So let's keep going. Alright everyone, so if you see, I got already the two tires, the mud guard, and I'm just gonna keep going and putting it all together. So I'm waiting for the gas tank, so when the gas tank get heat I can install it. Actually I found the original gas tank for this kind of motorcycle, so that's pretty good. So I have to keep all these, so I just use the same thread for the screws. A little concerned that the engine is gonna be too close to my leg, but I think I have plenty of space. The only thing touching my leg is the pull, but I don't think it's a big deal. So I'm just gonna go from there. So I still have a space to go for the brakes. I think it'll be fine. Alright everyone, it's been so much fun working with this project. I really love the way it's looking. I'm waiting for a couple parts to finish it, and it's gonna be done really soon. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you real soon.